Let's take a look at the headlines for this morning. Nifty is nearing 11,900. Pharma has bitten the bitter pill and is a top sectoral loser, something that we really don't see in our markets. Pharma always seems to be performing well. Today that's taken a bit of a turn. Also, barring realty and media, all your sectors are in the red. So definitely a bit of a shaky start for the market this morning. Then moving forward to a data breach, we have DRL in focus as it shuts all key plants globally due to a data breach. So this is obviously around some information security, and we'll be bringing you more and more updates on that one as well. Then let's keep it with pharma, but some US FDA pain, a very important development for Aurobindo. There has been some warnings issued by the US FDA, which are not too good for its operating units. So you might see curtailment of production at some of its units. So keep an eye out for that counter as well. We then have earnings today, a lot of candidates that are very important. You have Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto and Ambuja Cement. All will be putting out their earnings today. So very important numbers, keep an eye out for that. Now, in terms of earnings that have been made and what's coming up, Bajaj Finance had a call yesterday post its earnings, a very strong call. They're trying to get back to pre-COVID levels, still struggling a little bit, but the credit cost guidance is very good, and those counters are also fairly active in trade today. Then we have Taj on the prowl amidst all this issue that we're seeing with hotel companies. Indian Hotels is actually looking to make an overseas acquisition. They're in talks with Mubadala to buy out Viceroy Hotels, which will give them access to a foreign portfolio of hotels. We then have some shine coming in from the metal sector. We have copper shining. Copper prices globally have hit a 28-month high of $7,000. That's very key, and it's a key economic recovery tracker as well, as Mubina was sharing earlier in the day. If copper does well, it seems the economy is recovering. Two more items on our headlines for today. We have tepid listings of Hemisphere properties, which went to lower circuit, listing at 106 apiece. That's a demerged Tata Communications land. And then finally, in terms of IPOs on the cards, Gland Pharma has received a nod from SEBI for a massive 6,000 crore IPO, which will make it again one of the largest issues we've seen in recent times behind an SBI cards.